All right, I have an hour of filming left on this car, and that's all I got for you today. Today, I get to drive Kenworth Keisha. The day before, I had Keith. Keith was parked over in this area. But as you can see, there's no day cab here today. And Keisha is parked where Keith was yesterday. I've already done my pre-trip. I just got checked in. Since I'm at home base, I was able to do it on the inside. Got my trailer number that I'm picking up. I think that third party wanted to ask a question. Sir, I'm busy. Find somebody else to do it. And me and Keisha is about to get up out of here. I will probably take you on the last leg of my run today. Which will be going to Kentucky to drop off a loaded trailer. I'll probably show you the road going to Kentucky. Woo-hoo-hoo, baby. Today I have 163 miles. Pick up trailer from home site, drop off said trailer, pick up a loaded trailer, drop said trailer off in Kentucky, and then pick up a empty and bring it back home. Let's get to it. Airbag so I can get up under there. Reverse. light swimwear, baby. Do my tug test. Yep, she good. Okay. Thank you. That is, ooh, my language, excuse me.
Please stop and log in.
How these people hit roadkill in a slow speeding area, a slow moving area is beyond me. That's a look like a groundhog and got thrashed by a semi or a tractor. A semi with a tractor or just
Please
a tractor.
stop and log in.
Turn left, then turn right onto Dogleg Road.
1,000 feet,
Yes, they
take
really
the
in a
third exit
rush.
at the traffic circle.
At the roundabout, take the third exit onto Dogleg Road.
Take the third exit at the traffic circle.
Definitely want to take my time. This is wow. Woo-hoo-hoo.
After half a mile, turn left.
Speed is at 45 right now, so tell you people be in a rushy, I tell you.
At the next light, turn left. At the light,
1,000
turn
feet,
left onto West National Road.
Now turn left.
I don't know if I'm gonna make this light or not. Point of no return.
After 1 mile, turn
In
right
1
to join the
mile, turn
highway.
right toward Indianapolis and Columbus. At the light, use the right lane to turn toward Indianapolis and Columbus.
After 1,000 feet, turn right to join the highway towards Indianapolis.
Please sit back and
Turn right to
relax
join the highway.
and enjoy the scenic views with the mellow moods while I navigate these highways and byways.
kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
to
Look at
keep
this
right
crazy
onto
person cutting in front
I-75
of me.
south toward Louisville.
From the side over there. Anywho, I figured I'd slow this video down so that you could get a better visual of me crossing this
Now keep right.
bridge that connects Kentucky to Ohio. Whew, I do not like bridges.
In 9.8 miles, take exit
Buckle up, here we
182
go.
Kentucky Route 1017.